Poverty is a state or condition of having little or no money, goods, or means of support. According to Coneval, in Mexico, 55.3 millions of persons are in poverty, and in our community, Morelia, 38% of the total population live in poverty and 5.9% in extreme poverty.
The problem. As many other NGOs, we have found out that one of the biggest issues to solve is the economic poverty, which is one of the main causes of the low Human Development Index that can be noticed in the life conditions of the Mexican people who suffer this situation, as it may also represent some other effects like the increasing of the illiteracy rate because of the lack of economic resources, and therefore an increasing on the unemployment rate because of the low education level in people.
The poverty is a big problem around the world, and we need to try to stop it. This can be a very difficult process, but with the support of the people we can do it. And this team have a very good purpose to combat the poverty. And one possible solution for the problem can be make educational reunions for all the people who want to learn more about different topics. Why educational reunions? Because with these reunions the people will get more tools with the purpose of using them in a job. The educational programs are the first to combat the poverty here in Morelia, because in a lot of cases the poverty is generated by the bad education that some people have in the city, and the crafts by the other side are a good tools to combat the poverty, because with this knowledge, with the knowledge of a new craft, the people can decide if they will have their own industries or works. And if we can convert the people in an independent people, the poverty is going to decrease because they could do their own things. In the future, this craft and educational programs are going to generate new job opportunities for new people in the area, and the whole city is going to get new benefits. So with these proposals, we hope that the poverty decrease.
Resources. We will need to have the resources that are going to be used during the project. If we consider the first solution to solve the problem, it would be necessary to have resources like workplaces, experts who can teach the jobs we are going to offer in the reunions, tools, motivational speakers, and utility like paper sheets, pencils, etc. So it would be a good idea to think of sponsors. For option 2, we can consider sponsors as well, but we could also think of companies or business people who could be interested in invest on the generation of opportunities that the people that, once we give them the respective training, decides to start their own industry or independent business.
In conclusion, poverty is one of the worst problems around the world and one of the most difficult to eradicate. Many people try to solve this problem by giving money and goods. That's not always the solution. The poor people have to know how to survive by their own and be independent from the others.